Today we'll be installing the MRT Trail Rated G.O.A.T series on a two-door Bronco. First, you'll want to find the tangent in the exhaust before the rear axle. Measure 2 inches away from that tangent point. This is your first cut point. Before you cut, measure another 10 inches towards the front of the vehicle to mark the next cut point. Using a sawzall, cut at those two marked points. After cutting the system, it is recommended to deburr the cut points. Go to the stock muffler and loosen the stock over axle clamp. Remove the stock muffler from your Bronco by removing the exhaust hangers from their rubber isolators. Place the provided clamps onto the muffler and install the Trail Rated muffler. If you're still having trouble, the over axle tube can be removed from its isolator, allowing for some more room to fit the Trail Rated muffler inside. Install the over axle turndown and insert the hanger into the rubber isolator. Once the over axle turndown has been put into place, tighten down the stock over axle clamp. Last, we'll tighten up the muffler clamps and go for a test drive.